I thought I was live for about 10 minutes, but apparently I wasn't. This is Salty Sam's in the bay next to the Sea Racer. Marine Patrol, Coast Guard's here. We called the fire department.
So bad.
Had a couple of explosions, so we're trying to stay back. They moved the pirate ship. It was next door. Shh. Text Evie. She just messaged me and asked if I heard about the boat. Tell her to go on my Facebook. Oh, okay.
I backed off because it started popping. But hey, I'd have had to send you 2 boxes anyway, because if you noticed, you know, when my wife told me I sold it in Peller, she didn't tell me I sold 3. So when I went back and reviewed, I went, oh shit, I only sent him 1 in those 3 boxes.
Well,
so I'd have had to send you 2 boxes.
I mean, it's gone a long way since we got here.
Oh
God.
Hear that popping? It's getting to the back of the gas tank. I ought to send you a picture of this.
Oh my God.
This is crazy. I'll call you later. We'll figure it out. No worries. Glad you got
Our boat's on the way. Robbie Locke, who's a firefighter, said their boat's on the way.
Just don't be scared of it, and then you're fine. It's just a fire. And like, we're far enough away if it explodes.
Yeah. We'll figure out what to do.
That's a fact.
Yeah, let me send you a picture of this fire. It's crazy. Alright, see you.
Yep, so you see they're moving some of the boats back so they're not so close.
That other boat is on fire.
Which one?
See that little one behind it?
Well, that's what we've been worried that was going to happen. Just going to get to the next boat. Hey.
Don't try to talk.
You can see how far Marine Patrol's staying away from it?
Yeah, and he's trying to keep everybody else that far back too. Don't want to be. Hey everybody, someone's having a real bad day. Like I said earlier, the big pirate ship moved away. And then on the other side is the Sea Racer, and I'm sure they need to move that boat, but no one's there to do it. Hey, Scott Grooms.
Fireboat.
Oh, here's the fireboat.
Hey, the fireboat to the rescue. Do they have water on that boat? That comes from the water?
There it goes.
Well, Dad, it could have, they don't know what kind of fire it is. And water can trigger some fires to make it work.
I have a feeling they know what they're doing, okay?
Why are you being rude?
Now you know that salt water he's spraying on it.
Hey, Chris.
What am I looking at?
I want you to go ahead and send this forward.
Sorry about this. I can't really see the screen.
Yo, that boat's like whack.
Look at how fast they're getting it under control.
This is slow. Actually slow. Oh wow.
So what caused that?
It's still going.
Yep. It's going from brown to white.
Spray me. Firemen are so cool.
Firemen are what?
So cool.
So cool.
When you run into the fires,
Oh, here come more.
why is the Sanibel police?
Everybody's here to help. Sanibel Police.
Poor boat.
Yeah, if you guys can get some phone calls on your truck, that would be the most ideal for them to get it out.
What did he say was the most ideal to get it out?
We need a rain unit. Hurry up.
Oh boy, here comes. They said just now the Marine units are going to be able to do the most. What's that? Coming from everywhere. got some water going off the here now, right now. Hey Sherry, hey Heather. I can hardly see my screen. See, we're at Salty Sam's, right?
Oh my gosh, there's still fire.
Oh yeah. See the fire right up there where it looks like there's not, and there is. Ooh. Still a lot of fire in there. Give you guys a view of the bay. Can you see those firefighters on the dock and stuff?
When I went live, Hunter joined. He's like, oh no, that's Salty Sam's.
Well, it is behind Salty Sam's. Oh, I bet you there's some smoke damage to that other boat, you know.
Put yourself in debt.
Huh? Yeah, they're not having much luck.
Just got theirs going.
I know, they've been trying for a while.
What?
They've been trying for a while.
See, but that fire's getting worse. See how it
Go back.
turns white?
Yeah. can't see what the screen's showing. Here comes more. Oh. Bonita Springs, Sanibel. What's that? Here comes Bonita Springs. They're locked and loaded. They're ready to go now. He said we're working on Prime. They were asking if he's ready to operate, and he said, "Yeah, we're working on Prime." They're kind of taking turns, it looks like. He said, "Get over to the port side because the Sea Racer boat is getting exposure." Now FWC. Salty Sam's right there. Sea Racer on the other side of the boat that's on fire.
I haven't seen this many boats in a couple places.
Well, pretty good reason for it. Here they go. Bonita's going in. Comes Coast Guard. Ew, look at this. Look at the water. Fire rescue. They're all getting up in there.